careful.
Hello kids, today let us study the names of animals and their sounds.
Lion. Lion. Lion makes the sound. Tigar. Tiger. Tiger makes the sound. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant makes the sound. Buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo makes the sound. Shap. Sheep. Sheep makes the sound. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla makes the sound. Zebra. Zebra. Zebra makes the sound. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe makes the sound. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus makes the sound. Ox. Ox. Ox makes the sound. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile makes the sound. Cow. Cow. Cow makes the sound. Cheetah. Cheetah. Cheetah makes the sound. Bear. Bear. Bear makes the sound. Monkey. Monkey. Monkey makes the sound. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros makes the sound. Horse. Horse. Horse makes the sound. Frog. Frog. Frog makes the sound. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee makes the sound. Donkey. Donkey. Donkey makes the sound. Camel. Camel. Camel makes the sound. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit makes the sound. Yak. Yak makes the sound. Leopard. Leopard. Leopard makes the sound. Goat. Goat. Goat makes the sound. Fox. Fox. Fox makes the sound. Dog. Dog. Dog makes the sound. D-A-R. Deer. Deer makes the sound.
Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.